Hi guys, welcome back in this new video. This is Soheb and you are watching Digital Soheb. So I hope you are doing well. In this video, we are gonna review this tool, which name is Nozzle. This tool official website is nozzle.io. So in this entire video, I will review this tool and I will tell you something about this tool, how you can use it, how this tool is helpful for you. Okay, so watch this video till the end so that you can get clear idea about this tool, how you can use it and how this tool is helpful for you and how you can make profit for yourself by using this tool. So before I start this video, if you are new to this channel, so subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell, so whenever I will reveal my new video, so you will get a notification. Okay, so without getting any delay, let's jump into it. So my dear friends, we are talking about in this video Nozzle. If you want to access to more enterprise level SERP data than any tool has ever offered, you have come to the right place. SEO data nerds droll over our Google Keywords Rank Tracker tool. Most SEO keyword rank tracker tools just tell you the top ranking page on your website. So they will monitor your entire brand including social media profile and unlimited domain matches. Okay? There is a difference between knowing your ranking number 1 and owning the entire first page. Nozzle is a full SAP monitoring tool that let you track unlimited competitor, no question asked, hack, and they will let you track as much as you can handle. The SERP is your to command. So this tool is very helpful for you. And if we talk about this tool pricing plan is a starting price $49 per month and billed annually you have to pay. And if you want free trial, you can take free trial also. After knowing the use of this tool, if you want to buy this tool, so I have a good and amazing deal for you, which is lifetime deal. You can buy this tool for lifetime, but time is very less. In just 2 to 3 days, lifetime deal will be closed. But still you want this tool and you want to buy this tool for lifetime, so you can buy this tool from directly AppSumo Marketplace. AppSumo Marketplace is a platform where you can purchase all digital tools, digital products for your digital businesses. Okay, and if you will buy this tool from AppSumo Marketplace, so starting price is $59. For lifetime you have to pay. Okay, the time is left 2 days, 18 hours, 16 minutes. So with this tool, what you will get, all these details they have mentioned about this tool. You can analyze your competitor and all keywords you can target, plan and features also they have mentioned. And you have 3 options: license tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. If you will go with license tier 1, so you have to pay $59 for lifetime. All features above they have mentioned will be included in this package. All basic plan feature you will get 5000 keyword pulls per month. And if you will go with tier 2, so you have to pay $199 and you will be able to access all these features. And if you will go with tier 3, so you have to pay $179 one time and you can access this tool for lifetime, and all these features you will get with this package. And one more amazing thing, if you will buy this tool, so they are also giving you 60 days money back guarantee. No matter the reason, if you will not satisfied with this tool, so you can get back your refund, right? Many more tools are available in the market, SEMrush, many more paid tools. You know that. I don't think I should tell you about all those tools. Many tools are available in the market. There you have to pay on a monthly basis, on a yearly basis, but they don't have any lifetime plan. But here you will get this tool for a lifetime if you will go with. And if you talk about Nozzle official website, if you will buy this tool from their official website, so price will be like in this way. If you will go with basic plan, so you have to pay $49 monthly. If you will go with advanced plan, so you have to pay $99 monthly. And if you will go with pro plan, so you have to pay $249 monthly. And if you will go with pro plus plan, so you have to pay $499 monthly. Okay, and they also have a free trial if you want to go with free trial, so that you can get comfortable with this tool. So simply I have mentioned the link in my video description. Whenever you will click on that link, so you will be redirect on this page, this landing page, AppSumo Marketplace. So when you will enter on this landing page, so simply just drop down menu, and you will see here nozzle. They have written nozzle. Just you have to click, and automatically you will be redirect on their official website. So just you can start trial, and if you want trial, so just you have to go with all of these steps. First step is you have to sign up with Google, Facebook and email. Second step is you have to tell something about yourself. Third step is you have to create your workspace. In fourth step is create a project. Fifth step is set up primary domain. Sixth step is you can add your keywords, and seventh step is you can add your competitor, and eighth step is learn up. Okay, and now you can do all of these work with this tool, and if you will be comfortable with this tool, so after that you can buy this tool. If you talk about integration, so no integration listed. And if you want to know about their reviews and ratings, so their reviews and ratings are very good. You can check all of reviews and ratings about this tool. And if you talk about company information, so Nozzle is a founder in 2013 from USA, United States, and their official website is, I have already told you, that is nozzle.io. After knowing all these things, now I know you have an questions something about this tool. So most FAQs about this tool. First question can be what kind of users and organization type does Nozzle work with? So answer is Nozzle work with these users and organization type: mid-size business, small size business, enterprise, freelancer, non-profit and government. And second question is might be what language does Nozzle support in their product? So Nozzle support only English. So don't worry, you can work with this tool in English language. What kind of support option does Nozzle offer? It might be third question. So Nozzle offers support via online. And if we talk about fourth FAQ, what type of training does Nozzle provide? Nozzle provide training in the form of documentation and videos. And fifth question, it might be does Nozzle offer a free trial? Yes, Nozzle offer a free trial. You can be comfortable by using this tool, and after that you can purchase, but time is very less. You have to take a quick action, then you will be able to buy this tool with a lifetime access. You can take free trial for this tool. Okay, and if you talk one more FAQ, how much does Nozzle cost? Pricing plan for Nozzle starting plan is $49, which I have already told you, right? But if you want good deal, a best deal, so you can go with this lifetime deal, which will end in just 2 days. So if you want this deal, so go through video description link. The link is my affiliate link. Whenever you will buy this tool, so I'll get some sort of commission out of your purchase, but it will not cost you more than that. Okay, just you have to pay if you will go with $49, so you have to pay only $49. So I hope you understand about this tool, how this tool is helpful for you and how you can use it. So I think my video was helpful for you, and if you wanted to know more about like these tools, so you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. So whenever I will reveal my new videos, so you will get notification. So thanks for watching this. I'll see you soon in another one. For till now, bye bye and take care of yourself.